Perfect. All right, now you're going to type in git space clone space, and then you're going to go to the. Looks like you're using Chrome.
So like.
Oh, you do
I
have
was,
it.
yeah, I
Oh,
was
but that's
using.
the old version. So
Yeah, I haven't
you're going
pulled
to
it
delete
yet.
that real quick.
I haven't pulled it, but I was using Visual Studio Code and I just pulled it through that and fetched it and all that, cloned it.
Yeah, we're going to probably use the command line more often, mainly because unless you're going to be using Visual Studio Code for JavaScript.
Yeah, probably.
Oh, okay. Well,
I mean,
first off,
I haven't tried making it work yet, but
huh.
I like that IDE and it has like Git already in it and it's easy my brain. But if you all want me to use the command line, I could do that too.
I think it's preferable if you know the command line. That way you can work in a real world situation where you may not be allowed to use VS Code.
Sure.
Or you're put onto a remote machine that doesn't have it installed and you don't have admin rights, which has something that's happened to me before. So go to the File Explorer real quick and go up a directory. And then just delete that repo real quick. Now open the terminal in there instead. So close this one. And reopen it. That shift is important. That shift essentially says you're trying to be a developer, is what I'm going to call it. So you have it in select mode. If you drag your mouse while holding down, you notice that the little something highlights. So just right click and it'll get rid of your select mode. So you can type. Now just backspace out, choose a license.
Oh. That's weird. I don't know how that got there.
Now type in GIT, it's on your clipboard, space, clone, space. There's supposed to be a space, not enter. So hit up.
I got itchy trigger finger.
Okay, now go to the Chromium browser in the background. Hit code, click on SSH. That allows it to authorize without having to type in your username and password if you have a public key, but it looks like you do not. So I'm first going to have you set up your SSH key.
Okay.
So you have two monitors, right? It looks like you have two monitors?
Yeah.
Cool. So what I want you to do is... normally it tells you a link on how to generate an SSH key. So open up a new tab and type in GitHub new SSH. Generate a new SSH key, and you're essentially going to follow this. But when it comes to this keygen part, do put that in the terminal on a different screen. Replace the email with your GitHub email.
Yeah. All right.
And you're essentially going to be copy and pasting anything that's a command.
Okay.
I mean, technically, once you hit generate and you clear the console, then we can resume because you won't be showing us your private key random art. So yeah, remove git clone and replace it with that SSH keygen.
Wait, should I be recording this?
I told him to put it on a different screen when it actually starts.
Yeah.
That way we don't have his private information.
Okay.
Just
wanting to be
it's
sure.
Just the first command of what he's actually going to type in. You can go back to that link, by the way. The link's not going to show anything wrong. The docs.github, that thing. So you're literally just going to copy and paste that step 2 line and replace the email with your GitHub email.
This one or this
one? That one. You don't want the legacy. Hopefully you have SSH installed now I think about it. It should come. You want to remove the $sign, by the way.
Okay. Yeah, you don't want the $sign.
Where's the $sign?
I noticed you highlighted it.
What is the $sign?
$sign just marks that it's a bash line of code in this instance. I'm not sure why they did that. Probably so you don't just copy and paste it, but it says to paste it.
And how do you think we should we use like WebGL to draw to the screen, like for all of the like circles or like others like stuff we have to draw?
I personally would prefer you use WebGL, but if you don't or can't learn it fast enough, then just use Canvas Render, which is where you directly each pixel. Or use that Dree framework you were looking at. Lucian, if it fails or errors, you can bring it back over here because that means it didn't actually generate anything.
It said too many arguments.
Okay, bring it over here and let's take a look. It looks like you pasted it twice.
What?
Oh yeah,
Oh.
you did.
Oh my god.
Yeah, the right click is very trigger happy. When you right click, it will paste.
Yeah.
Everyone else should be doing this as well.
Well,
I am trying.
I think Nate already has an SSH key.
And that's different than GPG
okay.
key, right?
Now it says
Correct.
enter file in
SSH is
which
for
to save.
authorization without your username and password. What does it say?
Enter file in which to save the key.
Just hit enter. Let everything be
Alright.
default, essentially.
Sure.
And when it comes to password, it's going to say, are you sure you want to put this with no password if you put no password?
Yeah, definitely
you're-
do no password. It's a pain to put a password. I did.
As Nate
And
knows, it is a
I had to
pain to
remember-
type in your password each time.
Yeah, when Kyle was setting up for me, I had to. I put in my.
I suggested that he did not use a password. He did not believe me.
Alright, so
I
I did no
updated it since then.
password. You gave me.
Did it say, here's your random art image, and
Yeah.
then fix it, and you're able to type again? Okay, type in CLEAR.
CLAER.
Clear. It's
Oh,
clear.
clear. Okay.
And then hit enter, and then you
Yeah,
bring
okay.
it back over here.
Oh,
Okay, so now just go through the rest of the steps while you're over here, because everything should be in the correct location.
on this page or something? Oh, back over
No,
here.
this page.
Okay.
Because your public key, it doesn't matter if we know it. In fact, the public key is made to be public.
Public, yeah.
So you see that it says do that. So scroll down to add it to your SSH agent.
Hello.
So you're going to do SSH-add and then your ID, which should be the file that it defaulted to.
This part.
Oh, hey, Camden. We're doing SSH tutorials.
Nice.
Just right-click, paste. You don't have to hide it for this one. It's not going to reveal anything.
Alright. What the hell?
There it is.
Oh,
Air
well,
connection-
yeah.
Oh,
I
you forgot to
changed
do-
the ID, didn't I?
No. You see the first command, eval? Go back to the one in the background. Actually, here, I'll just make this easier on you. Give me a second. We're going to do this a little bit differently than a SSH agent. Let me just get the commands up. Because personally, I don't like the agent. So, yeah, I don't use the agent half the time. Yeah, okay. You're gonna open this file in a text editor. I forgot everyone could see my screen that entire
Yeah.
time.
Yep.
I'm gonna put it in VC chat. So on Windows, that's where it's gonna be. Backslash. There we go. So go to where that folder is in a Explorer. And then you're gonna put literally a
Oh,
copy
dumb.
of this. If I remember correctly, it's gonna be.
I don't have a folder named config. In
Yeah,
that
you're gonna-
folder.
Well, configs is not a folder; it's a file.
I don't have that file.
I know you're supposed to make it.
Oh,
One moment. So right-click in there.
Yeah.
And can you move the folder over to here?
Yeah.
So right-click, new text document, call it config, and remove the extension. Enter. Now right-click it, open with.
Doesn't
Do you have
matter.
Notepad++? If not, just open up it in Notepad.
Yeah.
And then in the chat, you're gonna. Okay, apparently they're gone.
Oh no.
You're gonna paste essentially what I sent you, but you're gonna replace the XXX with 25519. Control S. And that should be what's needed. Edit
Do I need to
config.
change this part? Probably need to change this part, right?
Oh yeah, replace that with looks like Boho. Bobo.
Yeah, I don't know why. Honestly, I don't know why it's like that.
It's based on when you set it up and
Yeah, I
what
know.
your online account name was
That's
XYZ.
no, I don't feel. I feel. Yeah, it was whatever.
Okay, so go back to the terminal that's in the correct directory. Oh wait, we forgot to add it to GitHub. So go to Chromium in the background. Scroll down until you see adding it to. There it is. Adding a new SSH key to your GitHub account. And this is going to tell you how to export to public. There you go. Clip? Why would you have clip? Try it. Literally copy and paste that command into your terminal. Once again, it won't expose any incorrect information, so you can just put it in the public terminal that we can see.
Is this in the wrong directory?
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
There's a tilde. You do have to remove SSH dash though. Right click again, hit enter.
Oh my god.
Sadly, it's not going to work. Okay, so go back into
Well,
that
I didn't
directory.
remove the thing you said, right?
No, it's fine. It's fine.
good,
It's,
okay.
it's because you're on Windows. It's a slight operating system
Gotcha.
difference. So open up your File Explorer back where you had the config folder file. Right click on the pub one. Do not open the other one, and open that in Notepad. So open with the ... and then more apps, Notepad. Do not always open. Alright, so literally just Control A, Control C.
Right.
And then go over to generate a new SSH. Go to GitHub and add a new SSH key, your first tab. Paste it in there. Call it what you like. Call it main PC, PC1,
Okay.
PC of life. Literally whatever you want. It doesn't really matter. Hit add. Okay, now go back to the repository.
I feel like a boomer.
Oh, don't worry. Everyone is to me. Even the younger ones.
Okay.
Okay, go to code. Click on that SSH link. And I know this is a lot of work, but it just prevents you from doing even more work later. Go to code and the green button in top right.
Oh, gotcha. There we go.
Click on copy. And now go over to. Yep. Remove that. Just hit Control C real quick. Well, right click, then hit Control C. All right, now right click and hit enter. Oh, no. Git clone. Right click and hit enter. Yeah, copied. Git clone.
Paste
Paste.
it.
Enter.
Enter.
Hit yes. By hit, I mean type. And there you go. It cloned it. You're authorized. It knows who you are.
Yay.
Okay. Now, Jason, do you need help?
Cool, thanks.
Technically, I'm just using WebStorm, and it pretty much did that shit for me.
Are you using an SSH key at least?
It is probably unlikely. But unfortunately, I got called away in the middle of your explanation, so I missed pretty much all of your beginning steps.
Well, you can go back and look at the recording, right?
Yep. So
Perfect.
That's why I'm not like too concerned about that.
Yep, and so can Chris, whatever he's doing. Okay, so now that you're in here, right click or go into web server. This is where we're actually going to do the development, showing you how to create the distribution package. So shift right click, Open PowerShell. You can close the other one. We don't need it anymore. All right, now type in /g tab. What just happened?
Why is there?
A bit-
Just hit enter real quick.
What-
/g tab. No, like actually hit the tab key.
Oh,
Hit it again
gotcha.
until you see Gradle.bat. All right, now you're gonna type in a space, and you're gonna type in DIST ZIP.
There's a W in
Enter.
Gradle. Does that matter?
Yes,
Enter.
matters a lot. Hit enter. So this will build the web server, so you can run your own little web server
Oh,
from my code. So what it's going to do is download the builder. This is known as Gradle. And then it's going to compile my code, put it into a nice little zip file for you, and then we can begin the actual development.
cool.
The first time it's a little bit slow, because it has to do that. And then there's a ton more downloads. How many threads you got on this computer?
How many what?
Threads.
Threads? Oh, in my processor?
Yeah.
That's a good question. Let me. Oops.
We're about to find out. Oh, it looks like at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Well, yeah, I have a good processor. I just couldn't remember.
I have 32.
Whoa.
So right now it's getting everything that it needs to compile and configure. There it is. All the dependencies that I pull in. Oh, overclocking.
No.
Let me know when y'all finish key setup. Oh, we're already done.
Are you actually overclocking it? Like, wait, what?
No. I was just
No,
checking my
he's just
temperature.
using it as a monitor software, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah. For some reason, I feel like I have to like redo my thermal paste or something. I don't know.
He disappeared. By
Okay,
the
it
way.
finished.
Yeah, he just disappeared. There you go.
Yeah, I'm back.
Hello.
Oh, I need to share my screen, otherwise I'm going to ruin your recording.
I'm looking at Lucian's right now.
What?
Oh no, we were just working on some game mechanics and stuff.
Okay, Lucian, you now have a binary
Oh, what?
distribution. So what you're going to do is go into build, distributions, and you're going to see a nice little zip there. Extract that right there.
I don't think that was the wrong button. Doesn't matter.
Nope, there you go. You're good. Open that up. Go into your binary folder. Now, shift right click right here. Now, I want you to do /tab or stab. Yeah. One more to the bat file, I believe. Yeah. Now hit enter. Syntax is incorrect. Hey, did you have this issue?
What? Let me try it right now. So I go to web server, right? And then what do I run again?
Simple as web server.bat. Oh wait, I think you actually ran the one without the .bat. Try run the one without the bat.
So I just
Lucian.
Like this?
Yeah, remove the .bat, hit enter.
Nope.
Huh.
The input line is too long.
And its syntax of the command is incorrect. Type in JAVA space -- version. Because this could be an issue. No, that's 17.
17. Yeah. Oh, that's weird.
Are you
Let
going to
me-
run it, Nate?
Let me try. So I don't have that build folder. Did I?
No, you did. Remember I told you how to build the distribution with a zip?
Oh yeah, you sent that to me, right? In the drive?
Yeah, you ran it just fine.
Huh. Where did it
This
go?
shouldn't be happening.
Oh, because I pooled. But then that shouldn't have overwritten it, right?
Oh no, it would.
Oh, okay, okay. Oh yeah, because I rebased. Oh, okay.
Yep, which essentially deletes anything that is marked as.
Right.
But this should.
Okay. So I gotta go to that zip folder that you sent to me, right?
Wait, I'm already here. /Gradle build tar. What am I doing? This tar.
So I just download that compile.zip.
Oh, I don't want to delete everything.
So I download it, I extract it.
Yeah, mine's running just fine.
Simple web server.
I put the simple web server inside of Sorking, just the main directory, right?
I mean, you can, but that's not what I did.
What did he do?
What I did right here, I ran this tar because I'm on Linux.
Is it by
Things
chance?
you
Is
do.
it by chance the /? Because it's already in bin.
Like where in my
I mean, you
file
can
structure
try
should I
without the
put in
dot
the
slash, but I do dot slash myself.
where in the like in the
Yeah, that's the thing.
full
You can't run a command unless you have.
so that's weird. So what am I doing? How do I create that compiled file? Compiled folder again?
Run. Here, Lucian, you explain why I look at this.
What am I explaining?
How you just built that zip file.
Oh, okay. Let me look at Nate's. Wait. Yeah, go to your folder where you have your repo for this
Uh-huh.
project.
Yeah. Inside a Sorking. Do I go into web server or
Yeah, web server, build.
okay. I don't have a build folder though.
It's your path.
Oh, okay. That makes sense.
I mean,
Your
it mentioned that
URL is
yeah, they mentioned
like
that the
your
command
path to your
line's
directory is way too long.
Oh, fucking, that happened to me with my fucking C++
You can actually remove
last
that
year.
limit here. Windows remove.
That's so annoying. Why is that even a thing?
Hey, if you think that's bad,
Something to do with memory.
if you think that's bad, my username has a space in it, which means some programs just hate me.
Oh no.
Yes. And you have to like surround it with quotes, but if it's in a program, it's not as easy. How good are you at editing registries?
No. Oh no.
Open up regedit.
Oh god. My one friend's like, never touch the registry if you don't have to.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Here, I'll do it for you. Give me a second.
Oh god.
I'm not on Windows, so I can't test it myself. So I have to figure out how to make a reg file.
This has turned into
I mean,
a much more complicated.
if you know what to do,
affair.
I'll do it, but
Ah, there it is. Okay. Well, okay, I do know what to do. And because this would be a pain, we'll do it on yours and we'll export it for everyone else.
well, I'm the only one having this problem, right?
Other people will probably have the problem.
Oh yeah.
So,
no,
I mean, like,
go,
what
it's
to do,
definitely going to
and I
infect
can-
everybody.
go to that location. It's
PC
into a
type?
location. It's the file system.
Yeah. God. Up in the top here.
Yeah, literally all the way down to where computer is, but not computer itself. Hit enter. Now you see long path enabled. Oh wait, it's set to 1.
I love computers.
Aren't they the best?
One moment. Are you on Pro or are you on Home Edition?
Oh God.
Is this the length we're going through now?
Well, apparently Pro has a
Windows
different
10
option.
Home.
Okay, well that's correct. Maximum path limit is not something you're into, but Windows 10. So it's still a max of 260 characters, even with that enabled.
Wow.
Ooh.
Okay,
I
well,
mean, I can
you have
choose a
to
different
change
folder.
your directory.
Yeah, that's not that big a deal. It's just annoying. I'm just trying to be organized, and the computer's like, nah, screw you.
At the park, I took my socks off and put them on my hands because I was in the sand. But then I lost them at the park and I left them there.
Oh.
Oh man.
Is Pappy here?
I don't know.
Is your mom here?
Yes,
You can ask her if she can take you back to the park to get them.
I got them. Look.
Oh, but you just said you forgot them.
Well, Hannah gave them.
Okay.
Well, at least she's got them back.
Yep. Did you move it to the better directory?
Where is it?
Are you just gonna reclone it? That works.
Can you show me like how I generate the build folder again?
Here, he's about to do it.
Cool. Yeah, I'll watch.
I mean, they
They,
are
yeah.
about to do it. If I ever get your pronouns wrong, I'm sorry.
It's okay. I appreciate it. Okay, now what? I think I did it.
Hey, change directory in the sword game. Web server. And open up your little terminal there.
Nate, are you watching?
Yeah, I'm watching.
Yeah, let's see how good he does this.
Oh, this is gonna suck ass when
I already
put it on my-
forgot what I'm doing. How do I make the build folder again?
Dot/Gradle.
Dot
Not
slash
that.
Gradle.
Dot slash. Got it. Gradle,
With a
was it the
W.
Gradle W? There you go, right?
Space.
Oh, shit.
Well, there's your help task.
Welcome to Gradle.
Hit up, hit space. You can use up as a shortcut for the last command, by the way. Now type in build distribution dist, not and
Just
then
zip,
zip because you're on
And then-
Windows.
and then
Enter.
enter.
And you notice
That's
it
how
goes a
you do
little bit faster. It's already at the compile stage.
Wow, that was a lot faster.
Just a bit. All right, there you go. Now you have the build folder.
Oh, cool. Thanks.
Are you about to have 3 different PowerShells open?
It's fixed. Don't worry about it.
Okay, open up the distribution.
Why is it 0% executing?
Because it takes a time for the first time.
Here we
Right,
go.
shift right click. PowerShell. Now bring it over here. Type in /s tab.
Oh my god. Stop. /s tab.
Enter.
What?
Oh my.
Wait, okay. D Violet Libraries, Violet School. That is a lot.
But it's literally like the third folder in my drive. Like, how is
Yeah.
that?
Count
Rename simple
how
web
many
server.
Ah, damn it.
count how many characters are in that URL. It can't be more than
Watch.
260.
Probably gonna be like 261.
Plus, you have to remember that it's the name of the executable as well.
What the hell? Like, if I put it in like C documents, that would be like the same length, basically. Where do you suggest I put it then? Like, where did you put it? Well, I guess you're on Linux maybe, so that's different, but...
Well, actually, also, I don't have 3 directory. Like, you have Violet Libraries, Violet School. I literally just put it on the root of my drive.
Yeah, so like, where do I put it? Like, should I just put it in fucking documents or something?
Well, I don't know. How far is your documents in?
I mean, I'm assuming it's just like C documents. Or like C.
No, it's C:\users \username \documents.
C. Okay, that's actually. That longer? That's. I don't know. Listen, I'm trying. I feel like why really? Why is it like? Is there like a literal memory reason for that limit? Like, come on, that's so annoying. Don't they know humans like to type a lot?
Yeah, we like to be descriptive.
All right, I'll just put it. I mean, literally, could I just put it on my? Can I copy the folder instead of cloning it?
Yeah, you just copy it. I don't know why you cloned second time. I was actually confused by that choice.
What the hell?
We are truly the most prepared.
Yes.
I'm writing the instructions right now for.
Meanwhile, Nate, have you tested it and made sure it worked? Make sure it's not just a Windows thing in general, or if it's actually because path too long.
Yeah, so I extract it, right?
Yep, extract it in place. Don't extract it anywhere else, just for consistency.
Okay, I extracted it, and then I go inside, right?
Yep.
And then I run bat, and I do it in my PowerShell.
Okay, it's working now. I put it just directly into the root of my D drive, and now it's working.
What?
Oh, you're too long for you too.
What?
I know, right? Like, it's not even that long. It's crazy. I just literally stuck it in my at the very
Did
beginning
you
of
see how
like
big the
my
link
to
was?
extend
How
my
many
pipeline.
letters was actually?
I think we should rename Simple Web Server to something simpler.
Simple web server, make it simpler. Got
Let's
it.
do WS.
Like, I
Simpler
mean,
web server.
could distributions just be dist?
Actually, I can't change that easily.
Nah, it's not a big deal.
But here, I can change the other one real quick. Actually, it's settings.gradle. Simple
If
web
you-
server to WS save.
And then we have to rebuild it and pull and then rebuild.
Give me a second.
All
I'm gonna
right.
make sure that gets even smaller by going over to web server, rename WS.
And were you able to run it and stuff, Chris?
Huh?
Were you able to run the server, or are you running into this problem too?
Windows is annoying.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, terminal, git, add, star, yada yada yada, git, commit, dash, shorten, half, git push. Alright, everyone pull that. You don't have to reclone it, just pull it. Do you know how to do that, Lucian?
Not through the
It's
command
git
line.
space pull.
Just like that. That's it.
Enter.
Oh, that was way faster.
I mean, on
That is
WebStorm, on
extremely
WebStorm, I was able to
fast.
pull it pretty quickly. But like,
Cool.
poor Lucian.
What? What did I do?
No, just,
Nothing. Don't worry about it. He's just being.
just general suffering.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
so you can close that. Delete web server because you no longer need it. Open up WS and repeat the steps as before.
Wait.
Shit. No.
Wait.
You
I
have
don't
to build
recognize
it.
this folder from
You
before.
have to build it.
Oh, okay, got it.
Build distributions and then
Nothing
I.
is ever simple, huh?
Just hit up. Just hit up, Lucian.
But it didn't.
Keep going
It
up.
didn't do it for me.
There you go.
I appreciate your patience.
Oh, I had patience. I didn't
Uh-huh.
realize. Okay, go into.
It didn't rename it to me.
It did rename it.
Where?
It
I-
just
I-
left the old directory as well.
Yeah,
Build.
delete the old one.
Build distributions and then I unzip.
./ws.bat. Unfortunately, it's not. It's a different.
Oh,
It's WS now.
Yeah, you're right.
It didn't rename it for me. What?
Okay,
Look
I
at
was
that,
in
it works
main go to
just
sword
fine.
game.
I'm gonna delete the whole build folder, okay? Is that okay? And
Main
then
go
just
to sword
rebuild.
game.
Technically, you could delete the entire thing and just git pull again, git clone, git reset dash
Alright.
dash hard.
Oh yeah.
There's many ways to do it. Okay, now you see how it says responding at that URL?
Yeah.
Do not go to that URL. Windows
Dude.
won't let you.
Oh, okay. I was
Go
like,
to the
sure, go to
browser.
that.
Open up a new tab, type in localhost :8080.
That's cool.
Welcome to the initial directory. So what I want you to do is go to that folder and create a new folder called www.
This folder?
Yeah, create a new one called www. Enter. Open that up. Now, what I want you to do is create a new HTML file.
Righty.
Call it whatever you want. Just don't add spaces because that's a pain.
Oh my god.
HTMK. Going to the
Are
next
you able to
level.
do it, Jason?
Hey, now,
I missed a
edit
lot
it
of the
with
beginning
Notepad,
steps in the beginning.
Type something
so
inside of it.
I gotta be.
Don't
I gotta be
worry.
Staring at this recording.
Jason has a web recording, hopefully.
Yeah. Do you want me to upload this, by the way, anywhere?
Yes, Google Drive preferably,
Yeah. Okay.
if you have the storage space. And then once I download it, I can tell you.
Could
Now type
do
something inside there.
whatever I
It doesn't
want,
have to be
yeah.
valid HTML. It's just
Oh,
literally
it
anything.
doesn't? Okay, cool. Literally anything. Haha.
Control S. Now go to /what.html.
Oh shit. Not that one.
Not every noise at once, please.
Literally anything. Ha ha ha.
So yes, this is the directory you'll template and do most of your stuff. I will make it a little bit simpler so you don't have to extract its distribution. This was just the easiest way to do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can really type in anything. You want the title to be something? Just set the title to something.
My HTML's trash, but we'll see.
It's literally what you're doing right now, but you type
Okay.
in title
Yeah.
instead of H1.
Okay, and that
Basically,
changes
H1
changes this
Yeah.
thing, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I
Yeah,
don't know
just
if it
haven't
has
used-
to be in the head. I forget if it's not.
I just
valid, it's
haven't
not in the
used
head.
HTML in like literally like 6 years.
Yeah, open up title.
Oh hey, my IDE is amazing like that.
Yeah, Sublime. Cool.
Cool.
Cool. So this is how you'll do your JavaScript development, and my code will actually appear here as well. Now, there are a few things. You notice that the index is there despite nothing being in the index file.
No, I don't notice that because I don't know what that means.
Well, here, let me go look at the list of directories. Nope. This is all getting recorded. I'll cut this out of the recording.
Whoops. Yeah. Lucian, your stream.
Okay,
Yeah.
URLs. These are the built-in ones that should work. I say should, but remember, I'm on Linux, and if they don't work, this is all new to me. I think they worked for Nate, though. So go to one of those URLs.
Like type it in the bar or the after the 880 thing.
Yeah. Technically, a double slash doesn't matter. Now, you know what's fun about this one? There's no CSS file in that www directly. That was generated from code.
I see.
Now go to the other style one, which actually uses this dark blue thing. The other style, not the same one.
Oh wait, why did I copy the? Oh my god, I didn't copy it. I swear, I'm like 10 times worse at computers when somebody's watching me do something. There we go.
Oh, wow, you actually rendered it correctly. Mine didn't do the entire background.
I'm just built different.
Literally, I built my browser. Yeah, so this is all generic code. You notice how it says DSL? That means domain-specific language. So you'll find this code inside the Kotlin.
Ooh.
Now, some of them that don't have DSL in them are not found in the code. So yeah, that's a for loop that would generate that one. That's Kotlin to JSON. And then that, I believe, is an actual index file that can be found inside the resource directory. Also, try going to /1.2. Just type in something random into the URL. Now, this not found thing is actually in the error resource directory. So let's show you where that is. Open up the File Explorer. Go to the WS directory, the first one.
This one.
Yes. Open up source, main, resources. Now you notice we have www in here as well.
That's fancy.
Open up the www. We got index. There's our index file. Yay. Now go back to the directory right before resource. Yeah, go to errors. Now there's our 40440.
Cool.
So yeah, these are my very simple error messages. So these are all inside the jar file, which gets generated.
Oh, that's the.
Oh.
Is that the .bat one?
No, .bat is not a jar file. .bat's a list of instructions.
But then that runs the jar file.
Yeah, so go back to WS. I'll show you where this jar file is. Go to build, distributions. That one, and then go to lib.
Oh.
And you'll find a ws.jar somewhere in there. Open that up with 7-zip.
Oh.
It's a zip file, essentially.
Yeah.
Just open archive. Bring that over. Now you notice we have www and errors. Those are where all the files are stored that are running right now. Next, we got our index, we got our errors. So they all get copied into this jar file so it can access it.
So was this www already on the GitHub, or did I just make that by?
No, I made that.
Okay, cool.
No. You see, the www on the outside is for you to edit multiple files while it's running. You can't actually edit these files while it's running.
Okay.
At least not on Windows. I can edit them, but I'm on Linux.
Yeah.
Windows has a little bit more file safety. So yeah, this is where it stores files that get compiled with the program. Eventually, all of your code will be in there. But for templating and testing, it will actually go into the www directory once I get it set up better. Actually, let me take a look. let's test something. Close the other. Go to PowerShell. Control C. Control C. Yes. So change directory // // // 4 dot dots. There was a CD before all of that.
Oh my god, what the hell? Okay.
Enter.
Yeah.
Oh, I was off by 1. Change directory .. Okay, now do / Gradle .bat with a W. Space run.
Oh.
It's fine. You're just getting more help information. With any luck, perfect. I found out how to do it without the distribution. Now, go to your file explorer. This actually makes it a lot easier. And to be fair, it probably got rid of that issue. Go back to WS. You notice there's a www folder in there?
Yeah.
Open that up. Now go to /hotload.html in your browser back there.
Oh.
This was actually the sample. This actually makes it a lot better.
All right, for those of you
So yeah,
like,
now it's using that
trying to-
directory. So disregard the distribution of tar and all that unless you're actually going to distribute the server. This is where you'll put your actual JSON, JavaScript, and HTML files. Sword game /ws/www. And the command is / Gradle space run.
all right, I put the instructions in the channel, and it worked for me. So yeah.
Let me take a look. Navigate, build, extract the zip. Yeah, we're gonna change that.
To what? What do you want me to change?
You missed the entire thing that I just found a new way to do it.
Oh my. All
It's
right.
a lot easier.
Okay.
And also, it's
Just
not
tell
even
me-
web server anymore. It's WS.
Oh, I forgot to change. Oh yeah.
Here, let me just.
Just copy and then you do it. Okay.
Yeah.
Why are we here? Just to suffer?
Yes.
Bro, that's it. Bro. What? What?
It's that simple. I don't know why you have such a hard time.
Everything's okay.
Thank you, Lucian, for being a guinea pig here.
Sure.
This all Nate? Yeah, this is all Nate.
My god. Calm down, Nate.
This is like all the stages he went to. He got mad, he got angrier, he died, then he came back. Confound it.
Physically
Confused.
ill.
Man, it's like all the stages of grief at once. Okay, so we now have it ready. He's ready to start coding some JavaScript.
Okay.
Start,
Not
he
me. I'm
says.
gonna go in 10 minutes.
Nate, you might want to get rid of this other one so that way no one goes through all the steps Lucian had to.
all right. Okay, yeah, I'll do that.
Right. I actually gotta get going considering like I need to get
Yeah.
food before dying on my homework.
That's
Oh
fine.
yeah, I forgot I had
I
homework.
realized it got more confusing.
That's
If
a good
anyone needs
point.
help, ping me and I'll explain it more
Again.
streamlined.
Again.
Don't worry, Jason.
And we also started working on a outline. So yeah, it's really good.
All that-
Yeah, it was mostly Chris.
Jason, when you get it ready, send me that video.
Yeah, I'll put it on the Google Drive in like the next hour or two.
Yeah, the Google Drive, I don't have access to it. It'd be preferable if you sent me a link.
Right. Wait, does he just not have the access at all? Period.
Wait, you don't have it? Let me add you.
Did you forget I'm not actually officially part of this club?
It's fine. No, it's fine.
You're contributing pretty big. It's fine.
Yes, I don't even live in Texas.
It's fine. I'm gonna stop recording just for liability.